Hydration vest compatible. Makes a great nutrition or hydration addition or replacement to your running vest, pack, or belt pocket. Collapsible flask. Soft material conforms to any pocket, and shrinks as you drink to reduce movement and pack away easily when empty. Refuel on the go. High-flow nozzle, designed to carry and dispense energy gels with an easy-to-clean nozzle. Holds 5+ servings. Durable. Made of abrasive-resistant TPU, vest pack fit provides bounce-free stability and a flexible flask shoulder to prevent chafing. 100% BPA PVC free, no weird taste, and no unnecessary or harmful chemicals. Top reviews from the United States. Cool bottle, cap is universal. So I never got to enjoy my bottle because it was left on a table and my cat decided to chew some holes through it that I am unable to repair. No fault of the bottle at all. It's actually super cool and will be perfect for my 6yo to use while flying. After discovering my repair method didn't hold, I was able to toss it when I thought to remove the cap and try it on different things. Turns out the cap fits on soda bottles and the small, medium BKR glass bottles as well. Game changer. I am ordering another since the soft bottle was amazing, but also planning to keep the cap and use it on my BKR glass bottle as well. If you end up with a trashed plastic reservoir, save the cap. It's useful for lots of other bottles.